Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to make a password protected PDF using Python. Guys, you must have Python and pip installed in your system. First we will install the PyPDF2 library. Guys, open a terminal and type pip install PyPDF2 and hit enter. It will take few seconds to install the PyPDF2 library. Meanwhile, you can like the video and subscribe our channel. Guys, we have now successfully installed the PyPDF2 library. Now let's start coding. Guys, we will add password to this PDF. Guys, open a terminal and type ipython, and before that go to the directory where you have saved the PDF. Guys, now type ipython and hit enter. First we will be importing the PyPDF2 library. Type PyPDF2 import PDF file writer, comma space PDF file reader, and now hit enter. Next we will initialize the PDF writer. Type PDF writer is equal to PDF file writer, open the bracket, close the bracket and hit enter. And just add R over here and hit enter. Guys, next we will read the PDF. Type PDF is equal to PDF file reader, open the bracket, close the bracket, inside the bracket type the name. Blockchain. Now close the bracket and hit enter. Guys, next we will read the pages of this PDF. Type for page number in range PDF dot num page colon and now hit enter. Guys, next type PDF writer dot add page, open the bracket, PDF dot get page, open the bracket, page underscore num, close the bracket. Let's now hit enter. Out of the for loop, and now type password is equal to, guys, inside this type the password you want to define to the PDF. Now hit enter. Next type PDF writer dot PDF writer dot encrypt password. Hit enter. Guys, next type with, open the bracket, blockchain blockchain 2 blockchain encrypted. Guys, this is the file name we will define after encrypting, comma wb, next as f colon, next type pdf writer dot write open the bracket f close. Now hit enter. Guys, now it is encrypting the PDF. Guys, meanwhile you can like the video and subscribe our channel. Guys, I will just pause this video. Guys, we have now successfully encrypted our PDF. Guys, here's the encrypted PDF. Now let's test if it is working. Guys, here you go. It is asking for the password. Now let's type it. Okay. Guys, here you go. We have now successfully encrypted our PDF. Guys, do check out my new ebook on blockchain, the wheel of Industry 4. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do hit the bell icon to get the latest updates.